Hi everyone, Tom here from Front End Beginners, and in this short video we'll look at how the Flex Flow property works in CSS Flexbox. For this example, I've set up a Flex container that's 1000 pixels wide by 500 pixels high. Inside it, I've created 3 Flex items, each with a width and height of 50%. Flex Flow is shorthand for both the Flex Direction and Flex Wrap properties. Flex Flow is applied to the parent Flex container and accepts a pair of keyword values. The first keyword is for Flex Direction, and the values you can provide match those used for the Flex Direction property itself, either row, column, row reverse, or column reverse. The second keyword is for Flex Wrap, and again, the values you can provide match those used for the Flex Wrap property, either nowrap, wrap, or wrap reverse. The default Flex Flow shorthand value matches the defaults for both of these properties, which are row and no wrap. Let's begin by looking at the default Flex Flow value of row no wrap. So if we target our parent Flex container, in my example here, it's a div with the class of container, and apply Flex Flow of row no wrap, the default value. The Flex Direction is set to the default row, so our items are positioned along the horizontal axis. Flex Wrap is set to the default of no wrap, which means all of our child Flex items are forced onto a single row and are not able to wrap down to a new row below. If we change our Flex Flow value to row wrap instead, we'll now see that our third Flex item has wrapped down onto the second row. This is because our Flex items have their width set to 50%. The top 2 items are now able to expand to this 50% width, while the third item wraps down below them. We could also set our Flex Wrap value to row wrap reverse, which will reverse the order of the rows inside the parent Flex container. Our top row is now on the bottom, and our bottom row is now on the top. The rows have been reversed. Let's now look at the column direction. If we change our Flex Flow value to column no wrap, we'll see that our Flex items have been arranged in the column direction along the vertical axis, but are not allowed to wrap into a second column. If we change this to column wrap, item 3 will be moved into the second column, while items 1 and 2 remain in the first column. This is because they have their heights set to 50%, and the wrap value allows items 1 and 2 to expand to their full height, while item 3 wraps out of the way. Finally, column wrap reverse will simply reverse the order of our columns inside the parent Flex container. Our first column is now on the right, and our second column is now on the left. Using Flex Flow requires a solid understanding of both the Flex Direction and Flex Wrap properties. For more information on how both of these properties work in CSS Flexbox, please see the links to my other videos in the description below. This is a fairly quick topic, and I think that covers the basics of the CSS Flexbox Flex Flow property. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.